So what exactly are we trying to do? See, this is our lifeline. Rivers are our lifeline. So instead of considering them as sacred places, we are them. You can see biscuit packet, plastic cover. And this is very unfortunate. IRCTC Cup, we have railway lines over there. So someone assumes that this entire holy river is a giant dustbin and decides to throw this here. Plastic. Plastic. Again plastic, and you can also see plastic spoon. So mostly it is all plastic. Plastic cover. This is something which is plastic. Cigarette butts. And you can also see people it. We are our rivers. Diapers. Plastic spoons. Plastic cover of an eatable mango pickle, plastic cover of curd, another plastic cover. So mostly you'll find plastic. You're finding plastic right here. Plastic. Plastic cover. Sanitary napkins. Plastic water packet, biscuit packet. Again you have these plastic covers. Plastic, it's all plastic, plastic and plastic. It doesn't degrade, right? Plastic doesn't degrade. Plastic bottles, aluminum foil. And also you can find another plastic cover. Please come over here. So you find actually dust in this plastic cover. So this is a giant dustbin, isn't it, for most of us? Look at this. Plastic syringe. It's a medical waste. Plastic spoon. Again you find dust in a plastic cover. A juice box, Tetra Pak. And we can find another plastic cover here. It's an eatery. A plastic cover. And you can see in a plastic cover. So what exactly are we trying to do? See, this is our lifeline. Rivers are our lifeline. So instead of considering them as sacred places, we are them. Is this what we want? I mean, isn't this our lifeline? Shouldn't we be more responsible? See, this is up to us. All we need to do is pick it, pack it, and post it. So pick up whatever you find close to your home place. I mean, we have several natural sources of rivers, lakes, or whatever it is. Please go over there, take a cover, pick up as much dust as possible, pack it, and then post it on social media. Or you can even mail those pictures and we'll use our online platforms to share your work. So let's be more responsible and try to preserve our natural sources rather than polluting them. Actually, we're not polluting this just because it's a giant dustbin. We're polluting this because we have polluted minds. The mindset has to change.